Let's talk about timing belt tensioners real quick. So on the Honda J-Series V6 engine, Acura J-Series engine, you have two types of timing belt tensioners. This first one is, I want to say spring-loaded. It's a little bit shorter in stature compared to this, what we call a hand grenade timing belt tensioner. What happens is when you get your timing belt all set up, you have either a pin or this clip right here. Here's a pin, a grenade pin for this one. Here's another clip for this one here, so that's what they look like. You can actually buy this clip separately from Honda if you need it to reset the tensioner. But basically what I want to tell you is that this tensioner, the shorter tensioner, is actually a lot better than this one right here, the hand grenade one. So if you have a choice between these two tensioners, I would go with this one 100% of the time. This one actually is known to leak. I don't know if you can see it down in there, the leak. There's a C-clip down in there, and after so many miles it starts leaking. So if you have a choice between this tensioner and that one, I would go with this one 100% of the time, and they are interchangeable. Yep, they line up. It's all the way through there. It's all the way through there as well, so they do line up. They are the same height, so you will have enough tensioner on the tensioner idler pulley once you pull this. But if you can, get your hands on this one, way better tensioner. Alright guys, there you go. Quick tip on timing belt tensioners from the Honda V6.